This dish will serve 2 to 3 people. You'll be needing salt and pepper, shrimp, bay scallops, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, cooked linguine noodles, heavy cream, red and green peppers, red onion, brown sugar, a nice sharp knife, and a cutting board. We have some frozen shrimp and scallops, so first thing you need to do is thaw them out. If they're frozen, they don't cook right. Just run cold water over each of them. Never use hot or it will cook them. It only takes a couple of minutes. Next, rinse the mushrooms and pull out the stems. Time to cut up the vegetables. Cut off the top of the red pepper, pull out the guts, then cut it in half to clean the rest of the inside. Once clean, cut the pepper into strips and dice into half-inch pieces. Do the same thing with the green pepper. Peel the onion, half it, and then dice. Be careful to keep your fingers straight up and down, and your thumb back so you don't cut yourself. Next, slice the mushrooms, and please watch your fingers. Put everything aside for later. In a medium saucepan, pour about 3 cups or 3/4 of the quart. Heat up and make sure it doesn't scorch by stirring. Once it starts to foam, put in about 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and stir it in. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Stir until it thickens. Take it off the heat and set it aside. Next, heat up a medium skillet. Once hot, add the oil, and then the shrimp, but be careful of the flare-ups if you're using a gas stove. Cook for a couple of minutes, flipping them so they cook evenly. Toss in the bay scallops. They cook very quickly and only take a minute. Once everything is almost cooked, add about 1/4 cup of each of the vegetables. Sauté them all together until the vegetables are tender, not mushy. Put the cooked noodles into the hot water. Add the Alfredo sauce to the vegetable mixture and stir it all together. Drain the noodles and then put them in the sauce. And then set that aside. In another small skillet, heat a couple tablespoons of oil, add the mushrooms, and sauté until they're cooked through. To caramelize them, add 3 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Boil the mushrooms until the water and sugar thicken into a syrup. Pour the noodle mixture into a serving bowl and then top with mushrooms. Now you're ready for a delicious dinner. Enjoy!